Hi, everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about the free vacation promotion and how you need to redeem them. Our recommendation is once you have received your marketing PDFs is for you to make a marketing book. And I have an example here of one that we have used in the past. And what I did is I just took one of the marketing slicks and slipped it in the cover of this binder here. There are 10 different vacation options for your clients to choose from. So it's really nice if you can have this or a few of these in the waiting area so that your clients can look through them while they're waiting for you. You can also send them via email if you wish. But what's really important is making sure that they understand the disclosures that come with each vacation. So we're going to go through those. Now, the vacations do not have to be tied to someone's return, meaning they don't actually have to be doing a return with you. These are meant to grab someone's attention, to help create awareness of your business. So when you go through the marketing training, we'll talk about how you can use these different vacation options as tools to create attention for your business when you market on Facebook and Instagram and any other social media channel. So one of our most popular vacations is going to be the 2-day Bahama Cruise. And so I put that as the first marketing slick here. Now, when you get these PDFs, you'll want to print them out on a nice color printer, but you want to make sure that you're also printing the disclosure pages. So for each vacation, there's going to be a page of disclosures. You're not going to be able to see these or read these from this video, but I've highlighted the important parts of this particular vacation because, as you know, there's nothing really ever 100% free. So there are some fees that are associated with this. But for example, for the Bahama Cruise, there is a one-time non-refundable fee of $15.95. That fee is paid when they make their reservation. Accommodations are an entry-level inside cabin coach bunk bed. After redemption, your cost is $59 per person, based on double occupancy, plus port fees and taxes, okay? If any of you live in Florida or another resort area, you will know that the hotels are assessed a resort tax or a resort fee by the city. And so that is something that we cannot get around. Taxes and resort fees are going to have to be paid by the customer when they travel. So the actual space itself is free. What happens is hotels, airlines, resorts, when they have slow periods of time and they have a lot of empty space, what they will do is they will dump it into a pool and they will give it to this marketing company who and then books it for them. They would rather have people on site spending money in their restaurants and gift shops and keeping their employees employed rather than letting that space go empty. So for them, it makes more business sense to give that space away and earn money from people being there on the property. So this is how the vacations are facilitated, and they are run through this particular marketing company who handles the bookings. Now, for any of the vacations, your client is going to have to redeem their certificate within 30 days of it being issued, and they will have to travel within 12 months of the certificate redemption. So again, it's super important that they read all of the disclosures before they choose a particular vacation. Now, just going through the different options, so we've got the 2-day Bahama Cruise, we've got 4 nights in Vegas, we've got 6 nights in Mexico. We've got 2 round-trip airfare tickets plus 3 nights at a resort in some specific cities. We've got 7 nights in Mexico, and then we've got 3 nights in Cabo with golf package. Now, so these are very specific vacations, my recommendation to you is to, instead of saying free vacation, is to actually cite the actual certificate that you may be promoting at that time, and do it maybe based on where you live, something that is close to you perhaps that might be attractive to your clients. Now, we understand that not all of our clients are going to get on an airplane and go somewhere. So some people want to stay close to home, and that's fine. So we have accommodations for that as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 night hotel stays. So there is something there for everyone. Again, we'll show you how to use these to effectively bring more clients in through your door. And so the idea is this. The idea is to get their attention and to get their information. So now you have their name, their contact telephone number, their email address. Then it is your job to follow up with them to earn their business. So when you start redeeming these, or actually requesting these, you're going to have an Excel spreadsheet that we're going to send to you. And you can start giving out the vacations in December. And once a week, we will send the certificates to your clients. So you will have a sheet that looks something similar to this. And it has all of the different vacation options up here, and then a place for your client's email address and their telephone number. Now, it is important that you complete this in Excel, meaning it has to be typed. We cannot accept any handwritten forms. There's just too much information and too much room for error. So you will complete that form and submit those on Fridays, and then we will get the certificates through the marketing company out to your clients in either a text format or an email format, and we'll let you know how they should be expecting to receive those. It's very important that once they do receive it, that they don't lose track of it, because we can only issue one certificate per telephone number or per email address. So if they have to take a picture of it or save it, save the email, send the email to themselves, whatever the case may be, just make sure that they know that they need to have that and that they do have to redeem it within 30 days and travel within 1 year. So I hope that you find this helpful. And in our marketing webinars, we will be going over in more depth about how to use these effectively to attract new clients and new business. All right, thanks, guys.